Let's learn adjectives. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Excited, excited. Bored, bored. Angry, angry. Scared, scared. Beautiful, beautiful. Ugly, ugly. Fat, fat. Thin, thin. Young, young. Old, old. Big, big. Small, small. Fast, fast. Slow, slow. Strong, strong. Weak, weak.